Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array related problems provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old videos related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So let's start today's video. Replace elements with greatest elements on the right side. Given an array, replace every element in that array with the greatest element among the elements to its right and replace the last element with -1. So after doing so, return the array. So in this example, we can see the output is this. Because at index 0, the value is 17 and the greatest element to the right of the index 0 is index 1, which is value 18. On index 1, the value is 18. The greatest element to the right of the right side of this index 1 is index 4, which is 6. Similarly for index 2 and 3 and 4. And if you see at the index 5, there are no elements on the right of the index 5, so we put -1. In this example 2, we have an array value 400, output is -1 because there is no element to the right of the index 0. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve this problem in C#. We already have a method name called replace elements. Okay, so first we're going to initialize the maximum value encountered so far as the last element of the array. So let's take a variable called int maxWrite, which is equal to -1. We initialize the maxWrite with -1 because the last element should be replaced with -1. Now let's iterate through the array from right to left. We are using for loop. Int I is equal to arr.length -1. Now for each element, we are going to replace the current element with the maximum value encountered so far on the right. So let's store the current value at index I. So int current value is equal to arr. Now we are going to replace the current element with the maximum value on its right. And in the last, we are going to update the maximum value if the current element is greater than the previous maximum. So let's update the maximum value if the current element is greater. We can achieve this by maxWrite is equal to math.max between maxWrite and current value. After the loop, the array is modified as required and you can return the array. Let's run this code and see if it's working fine. Our answer is matched with expected answer. Let's submit the code and it's perfectly accepted. Please try to solve this problem in any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment section and I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.